morning.
Good morning. Are you ready for a walk?
You want to go?
You want to go for a walk?
Oh, okay.
You want to go for a walk, Mango? Okay.
Buenos dias.
Mango, come here. So 1 year ago, we packed up everything we had in Cincinnati, Ohio, and headed south here to Guatemala. We've rented a few different spots since we've been here, but we have now found ourselves in a tiny house here on beautiful Lake Atitlán, and we wanted to show it off to you. We're finishing a walk with our 2-year-old golden retriever named Mango, but we wanted to give like a few reasons why that brought us here, right, to Guatemala.
Exactly. So Guatemala was kind of where we both decided, because we're both travelers and we knew that we wanted to go abroad at some point,
for sure,
especially long term. And so Guatemala became an option for us because it was close to the United States. The proximity was definitely a good reason, but also we really just wanted to focus on simplifying our life.
For sure.
Simplifying our life was one of the biggest things we wanted to achieve. And Guatemala felt like the right place to start that. And so we wanted to show you guys a little bit of our world and show you our tiny little house, because we're really excited about it and we think that it's going to be the right move for the future. So let's go.
All right, perfect. Let's go. Come on, Mango, let's go.
Vamos.
Vamos. Yeah, so this is kind of like our walk. We do almost every morning, every night with the Mango Man.
Yeah.
We have so many different trails around this beautiful country close to us.
Super grateful for these trails.
Oh.
And the coffee plants.
And the coffee plants. So much coffee.
Good catch, Mango.
Good boy. Okay. So we are here in the yard. Right before we head down to the house, though, we want to show you one of our favorite things is this orange tree, I think.
Yeah, it's been described to me as an orange and a lime made a baby, and we love them for mocktails.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pick one really quick.
Perfect. I gotta
go under here.
Because we haven't picked that many, but there you go.
Oh.
Perfect. Oh, we got a twofer.
Two for the price of one.
Yeah, so that's really fun. And then I'll follow you down, my love.
All right, this way.
So we just came from a spot that did not have a yard.
No, not very much of a yard at all. So this is a breath of fresh air. Also, Mango just absolutely loves all of the grass and all the garden space.
Doesn't he?
So
I mean, look at this massive of agave plant over here. I don't even know what kind of...
I love this palm. I don't know what it is. I love it. You guys will recognize it if you've watched any of our recent sit-down videos.
Yeah, that's kind of where we've been having like the background backsplash.
Yeah. And then here is the house.
The house.
So this is a very limited view, obviously, but that's actually our bedroom window.
Yeah.
And you'll see that in a minute.
Perfect. So our landlord, he is a huge Liverpool fan. We got a clothesline right here.
Yeah, watch your head.
But to preface that, the reason why I bring that up is because of
this beauty. Yeah. Isn't that just a spectacular mural?
You'll never walk alone.
I love that.
So freaking
funny.
funny.
I absolutely love that.
But beautiful grass.
Great grass area. We play a lot of fetch here with Mango. And then of course we have this gorgeous view.
Look at that. Absolutely amazing. I love this cactus as well.
Love this cactus. This is another perk of this place, is these beautiful kitchen windows. We love these. All right, this way.
Let's go. So kind of our lounge spot up here.
This is actually really where we live.
We spend so much time here.
Good boy.
Kind of just hanging out.
Yeah.
Working on laptop, talking about
we have,
video ideas.
Our little meetings here. We have all of our little business meetings out here on this chair. But as you can see, there's some really beautiful flowers that grow here, and these are called jade, or like the Holland shoe, I think, because of their shape.
They're so pretty.
But they attract a lot of hummingbirds. So this is a very peaceful place for us to be.
Yeah, you'll see like hummingbirds.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Got a great little spot down here as well, more yard. I kind of want to put some plants down there, I
Yeah.
think, at some point for
Absolutely.
some tomatoes or something.
Yeah. All right, let's unlock the house.
Let's do it. All right, welcome to our tiny house. Yeah. Amazing, huge sectional. Doesn't even really feel tiny when
No.
you look at
When you look at it like this.
from this couch.
This is the desk area though. This is where Chris gets tons of work done. We're really lucky because we actually haven't had a desk in any of our places yet.
I know, so I have
shocking.
been working at like a white fold-out table for the last year.
Or a couch or whatever he can sit on comfortably.
Cafe, anything I can get to, right?
So having a desk is quite the perk.
It's been so nice.
Yeah,
and then
a couch.
Massive couch, watching Survivor, watching TV, cuddling with the Mango Man.
This is also doubles as Mango's bed. This is where he sleeps. But this is where we spend a lot of quality time. And we didn't have a couch in our last spot either. So we're loving having a couch, especially a lounge.
And then also with the TV as well, yeah.
Yeah, this is our wardrobe area. Very basic, simple.
Yep.
This is our storage area. Don't look. I'm gonna fix this.
We're gonna cover that at some point.
Cover that up.
Landlord stuff up there.
Yep. And then this is the kitchen. This is where I spend a lot of time.
Right.
I am a very avid, passionate cook and baker, so I love being in the kitchen. And so having these double windows here just like open up into this gorgeous view is one of the best parts of this house. We have a 4-burner stove, of course, tons of storage for all of my spices, and a
massive fridge because where we came from last time was like a
mini fridge.
Tiny mini college dorm fridge, which you made work somehow. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you so much.
It definitely was like a lot to kind of squeeze in all that.
Yeah, and this kitchen isn't perfect. I would prefer more, like maybe more counter space if I was designing this.
Fair enough.
But this is so wonderful.
It came with all the pots and pans, all the plates, everything. We did bring our eco filter here.
Yeah.
Let's try to get that light better.
Oh, sorry.
Eco filter did come, so that's how we get clean water.
Yeah.
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
We also brought this little shelving with us.
Our extra wardrobe.
Yeah, because there is 2 of us, so we needed a little bit more extra room that did not come with the house.
Yeah, this place was definitely built for 1 person probably in mind. It's definitely got enough space for 2, but this way, also watch out, there's a dog on the floor. There's a mango on the floor.
There is a mango. Perfect, okay.
All right, another incredible space. This is actually a huge bathroom when you consider it's a tiny house.
Massive shower.
Great, huge shower and hot water.
I know.
Which is the best part.
We came from the last house with Dora. We absolutely loved a lot of aspects about that place, but
we missed hot shower.
We missed hot water a lot. And so we have our little kind of gas.
Yeah. All right, and the last but not least.
I guess you want to just follow me up? It'd be easier this way. We are heading upstairs. There is a painting of
we're calling him Jafar.
Jafar.
Because he like low-key reminds us of like,
I don't know.
Someone you'd see selling stuff
like
an
Egyptian merchant or something, right? But we have the loft bedroom right here, which was...
Let me model this for you.
Wow. With Jafar.
With Jafar. But the best part about this, come this way, is waking up to this view.
I know. Oh my gosh. Oh, there is a boat out there as well, if I can hit it. Oh, one more. Wow, insane.
This view. So actually we have stayed in a small home before, a tiny home before, when we lived in the valley in Ohio with Chris's parents. And it was a lot like this.
Yeah, it kind of feels a lot like home when we were living with my mom and dad a couple years ago.
Because we've always wanted to go towards a more simple lifestyle. It's always kind of been, it's what we came from. It's what we want to continue to do.
And so I have been working in the States for like 5, 6, 7 months at a time. And then I would quit my job and travel, where I would spend, another 5 to 6, 7 months traveling and living out of a backpack and living a simpler life, getting involved in the communities, volunteering. And when we got married, we took a 6-month honeymoon and did a lot of that as well, and looked for somewhere to stay, somewhere to live that we wanted to be abroad, learn another language, live a simpler, more intentional life.
And get plugged into more community and just get involved in something that we could resonate with and have culture. And so when we got to Guatemala, especially when we found this little place, it just felt really like this felt a little bit like home.
For sure.
And somewhere that we could really start to do more simple life and slow down and enjoy things and take one thing at a time. And that's kind of the inspiration behind this house and like why we came here, because it just
feels like home.
Feels like home.
Coming back here, but yeah, that's kind of it.
Yeah, it's
you
not
want to
much.
head back down?
Yeah, let's go back down. All right, I'll go first this time. Let's go. I go backwards. I think you go forwards.
It's okay.
Usually.
We all can't be as good as me.
I know. I can't be a Christopher Ross. I know.
But we are just so excited for this next
Yeah.
chapter of our life as we kind of hang out here in beautiful Guatemala, making videos about our just slowing down, living more intentionally, getting involved in the community, filming videos. So bear with us as we try to figure out lighting where there's not flowers in our faces.
Yeah, we have once again moved to a new location where we have to do a lot more figuring out, but we're so grateful we're here. We think that this is going to be such a great fit for where we want to go with our 100%. Future and our life. And we just love that it's here in Guatemala as well. And obviously Mango gave it the stamp of approval, which always makes it easier.
He loves his yard. Yeah, so if you have any questions about the house, about us, about getting Mango here, anything, like give us some video ideas.
Yeah. In the comment section.
In the comment section, let us know because, yeah, we're so excited. We're just trying to figure out what you want to see, what information we can portray. And we're just so happy with this new place.
Yep.
So we're going to leave our Patreon in the description as well if you want to support us. We're so thankful to all of our Patreon members.
So
Please, you're changing our life.
You are changing our life. You're making what we do feel possible and achievable, and you're allowing us to live in incredible places like this so that we can give you an insight of how beautiful our life is. And we cannot thank you
everyone's life is, right?
Yes.
This is achievable, not just maybe living full time, but taking aspects of this and putting them into your life back home, or traveling as well.
So
anyway.
Thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you guys later.
See ya.
Bye.
What is Mango barking at?
I have no idea. Everything.
Let's see. What is it?
Mango, it's the same thing. Is it a lizard? Is it a lizard? Do you want to beat him up? Where's the lizard? Should have proposed to me here.
What did you just say?
That you should have proposed to me here.
On that rock? That's a nice rock.
It's a nice rock. I have an avocado in my pocket. Surprise.
You have an avocado in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?